All right, so welcome back. Today in this video, we are going to be continuing our Civil FE exam review by going through a topic that is covered in structural engineering. And that topic is specifically load combinations, and load paths. So if you have not checked out some of the other videos in structural engineering, like column analysis, deflection of statically determinate beams, or any of these other videos, definitely check them out. I have gone through and talked about some conceptual things that you'll need to know for the exam. All right, so let's look at these practice problems. So number one says, consider a reinforced concrete beam subjected to a dead load of 20 kilonewtons per meter and a live load 30 kilonewtons per meter. Calculate the ultimate factored load using the load combination 1.2D plus 1.6L. Okay. So start out by writing out what we're given. We are given dead load. We're also given live load. And we are given the load combo that we need to use. Okay. So we're trying to find the ultimate load combination. I can tell from my answer that it needs to be in kilonewtons per meter. So what formulas would I need? Well, if you're not familiar with load combinations, what are they? Let's look up load combinations. All right. All right. So load combinations ultimately is saying, hey, we're going to put some factors alongside or we're going to put factors on our different loads, right? So we're going to account for things like rain, R, snow, S, wind, dead loads, earthquake loads, live loads. What do we mean by this, right? So you have this in this particular situation, a concrete beam, right? And I'll just draw a beam. Got this beam, right? And we got it raining, the rain load. This is just random, right? But I'm just trying to explain that, for this particular beam, right, you're going to have a rain load. And so in some of these combinations here, it accounts for these different type of things, right? You can, in this particular formula, it would be 1.2. So you got some dead load. And dead load is the weight, could be the weight of the beam. It could be the asphalt that's coming across, maybe a bridge, just stuff that's going to be there that's not going anywhere. That's there pretty much until you remove the whole structure. All right, then you got live load, so you could have people walking. So say you got some people that want to walk in the rain, all right? Well, now they weigh something, right? So that's some live load happening. You got earthquakes that could happen, right? Or you got snow that could take place, or you got wind, that can blow at the beam. So all different types of things that structures have to go through. Would not want their problems, right? But for this particular example, they are just asking us to use the load combination of 1.2D plus 1.6L. So 1.2D plus 1.6L. All right. And if we do that, what is the ultimate factor load that we will get, right? So what is my dead load? Yep. So my dead load is going to be equal to 20 kilonewtons per meter. My live load is equal to 30 kilonewtons per meter. And so I'll do 1.2 times 20 kilonewtons per meter plus 1.6 times 30 kilonewtons per meter. And that's going to give me my ultimate load, right? Which when I plug this in, I get 72 kilonewtons per meter. And so I get C. Hey everybody. I know I didn't take time to formally introduce myself at the beginning, so I did want to let you know who I am and how I can best serve you as you're studying for your Civil FE exam. So my name is James Huntley, and I am a civil engineer who has helped hundreds of individuals pass and dominate their Civil FE exam. Now, I know this test is tough, and as you're going through material, you may be saying, I don't remember learning this stuff, or gosh, these variables are so confusing, or you just feel like you're really, really busy and there's so much material that you need to go through that it's a bit overwhelming. So I did want to let you know that I do help and work with individuals one-on-one to ensure that they pass their Civil FE exam. And I've had individuals that have worked with me for 10 weeks, and that's the longest that it has been. And I've had individuals that have worked with me for 2 weeks, and we went back to back, day after day after day, hours on hours on hours, putting in the work, working together to ensure that they went ahead and passed, right? And this exam is so important because I know that you want to make more money. I know that you want to, get some promotions and be able to further your career and have your PE. So definitely want to open and extend a hand out. Want to be able to save you time, right? Because I know some people that watch my videos, you may have been watching my videos for 6, 9, even 12 months, and you still haven't passed your Civil FE exam. And that is the one thing that's keeping you from making more income, more impact, and furthering your career. So it's definitely costing you money, resources, everything. So looking to create more success stories. I am looking to work with individuals one-on-one. I want to hop on Zoom with you. I want you to share what you're doing as you're solving these problems, so I can spot out what you may be struggling with and open your eyes so that you're not going into this test completely blind. Now, for some of you, you may have failed a test once, twice, had some people fail 5 times, or you may be wanting to take this test initially and you just want to make sure that you pass it up front. So do have one-on-one services. I also have some do-it-yourself courses that if you're like, no, I got this, I got it all on my own, I know everything, or I'm gonna take the time to study everything, I do have some resources and materials to be able to help you in that way. But my biggest fear is that you're investing in something, these programs or these courses, and you're not getting back or having proper feedback to help you and to push you forward You're just giving a bunch of information and no one's sharing with you what you may be actually struggling with or what's keeping you from passing your FE exam. So looking to create a ton of success stories. So feel free, down in the description box below, I have a ton of resources, including one-on-one coaching. Let's hop on a call. It's no cost to you as far as, us talking through your goals and what you're trying to do, and kind of getting a feel for where you're at. So have some programs where I can work with you one-on-one. And there's also some do-it-yourself courses, practice exams, study guides, resources, free material, all of that down in the description box below. So feel free to check out that stuff. If you like the video, be sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel. This is what I do. We want to get you to the next phase of your civil engineering career. And leave a comment if you had any questions about what I went through, the information that I covered. And feel free to definitely schedule a call with me, and looking forward to creating more success stories. So be sure to check out this next video